The Jagannath temple is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Sri Krishna, in Puri, in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple and begun by Anantavarman Chodganga Deva, the first king of Eastern Ganga dynasty. There are many festivals each year attended by millions of people. The most important festival is the Ratha Yatra. The spectacular festival includes a procession of three huge chariots bearing the idols of Jagannatha, Balabhadra, and Subhadra through the Badadanda, meaning the grand avenue of Puri, till their final destination to the Gundicha temple. The temple is one of the holiest Vaishnava Hindu Chardham sites, also including Rameswaram, Badrinath, Puri, and Dwaraka. There are many mysteries about Puri temple. The first one is the flag atop the temple flaps in the opposite direction of the wind. The second mystery is the Nila Chakra will always face you, no matters where you stand in Puri. The third mystery is the temple's main dome never casts a shadow at any time of the day. Number 4 is no birds fly above the temple. The fifth mystery is the Mahaprasad is cooked in the seven earthen pot placed on the top of another. The prasad in the topmost pot gets cooked fast. And the last seven mystery is the sound of the sea stops as soon as you steps inside the temple or cross the Singhadwara.